Hi everyone, welcome back to Big Boys Toys. Today I want to talk to you about the newest feature in Rockwood's 10 trailer lineup, the 19 off the ground and the 16 off the ground. Coming at just under 1,262 pounds and 1,293 pounds, these are lightweight 10 trailers, not a problem for your smaller SUVs. 2 10 trailers set up. I have the 16 off the ground, 19 off the ground all set up. As I said, they're part of Rockwood's newest lineup to a lightweight 10 trailer. You can see the other 10 trailers are not much different than the conventional design. Again, lightweight, no furnace, no fridge, no propane, small SUV till 1,500 pounds, shouldn't be a problem. The 2 configurations, the 16 give you the 2 expandable beds, so you get a lot of room on the inside. You still get the same Rockwood quality in the canvas, one-piece door that sits up the hot side here when it comes down, but now we're in 2 small beds. We'll go to the 19. And in 19, what we have is just the old standard conventional 10 trailer. Pops up just like when I was a kid and pops down. Really simple, no beds to come out. One-piece fiberglass roofs on everything. They do have a small 12-volt fan in there. And with these screens down, lots of great cross ventilation. One thing I do like about these 10 trailers in general, but these ones, with the wheel on the front, so easy to maneuver and push around the campsite, push around your driveway, get into place, maybe even put in the garage. You saw how low they come when they break down. Let's go inside. Never seems to be enough storage when you're camping. Not a problem with the 19. Not so much with the 16 because the beds come in, but this one here, we have a nice full-size queen bed here. Dinette breaks into another berth. Place for a porta potty, a cooler right here, and of course, lots of room underneath. They even separate it, so you can have barbecues on one side, extra bedding and sleeping bags in the other. Good plywood. Incidentally, the bunks on these, the berths are rated 1,050 pounds each berth. So if you get kids jumping around, the whole chassis is gonna twist or break. So once again, Rockwood's 2 newest lightweight 10 trailers. Why don't you come down to Big Boys Toys, check out everything we have in 10 trailer lineup. Rockwood, you won't be disappointed.